Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change the keyboard color on Acer Nitro 5. First, make sure your Acer Nitro 5 laptop is turned on. Now look at the keyboard and find the NitroSense key. It has a small N logo on it. Press this key to open NitroSense. When the NitroSense window is open, look for the keyboard or lighting option, click on it. If your Acer Nitro 5 supports RGB light, you will see different color options. You can choose color like red, blue, green or purple. Click on the color you like and the keyboard color will change right away. Some models also let you change lighting mode like breathing or wavy effect. If you see this option, you can try them and choose one you prefer. If your Acer Nitro 5 doesn't support multiple color, the keyboard light may only be red. In this case, you can still adjust the brightness level. And that's it. That's all for today's video guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.